Using a 10mm socket, remove these two bolts. Grip the top of the tail light and firmly pull directly backwards away from the truck. Grip the bottom outer corner and supporting the top. Firmly pull with your lower hand. Set tail light aside safely. Disconnect wire harnesses if needed. Get your T40 and T55 and remove the bed bolts. Place the bed stiffener in its place. The top of the flame points towards the front of the truck. Reinstall the T55 bed bolt and the new 7/16" hardware. These should be tightened just enough to apply pressure. The leading edge should easily align with the edge of the bed wall. Using a center punch, mark the center of the holes on the bed wall. Ensure the bracket is in line with the bed wall. Remove the bracket and set aside. Using either a step bit or a series of drill bits, drill 1/2" holes where you marked with the punch. The top hole has an additional plate in behind. If using a longer step bit as we are here, you will need to transition to a standard drill bit to avoid drilling into the extra brace. If you want to reuse your factory tie down, remove the factory hardware from it and set aside. It is best practice to coat the holes in the metal with paint or sealant to protect from rust. We skipped this step for filming this video. Install the tie down with the new 7/16" bolt and washer with some blue thread locker on the bolt. Follow that with the factory T55 bed bolt. Do not fully tighten any bolts yet. Next, install the 3 1/2" bolts with washers and lock nuts. You may have to tighten the bed bolt slightly for correct bolt alignment. Using a 3/4" wrench and socket, tighten the side bolts until they are just barely snug. Make sure the bolt will still rotate easily. If not, it is too tight. Repeat this for the remaining 2 bolts. Now you can tighten the 2 bed bolts fully before tightening the 3 side bolts completely. Finally, we'll reinstall the tail light. There are 2 pins that need to align and clip into place. Then, reinstall the 2 bolts, being sure not to over-tighten.